guys, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and today I'm super excited to show you my latest mini album made with the Tonic Keepsake Dies. And this one is actually, let's see here, I'm gonna measure it here, just over it's 3 3/4 inches wide by 5 3/4 inches tall. So this is a very mini, and as you can tell here, it's wrapped around with a ribbon, and I tried to create it in a very whimsical style, and I put the little gems here at the end. So this is to hang down like that, if you will. Here on the cover, what I'm going to walk you through it. It opens like this, and I've used my Silhouette Cameo to design the ephemera piece here, which is the little swan. I colored it in, and I also added the little gems there and made it nice and shiny. And I also added this little acrylic flower here and a feather, which I thought was very appropriate. And the spine here also has, the paper collection is all very whimsical also, and I'll try to look up the name of it so I can write it below. And here I've added this little piece, which is also a little swan, and it's actually a bottle cap that was given to me, and so I'm embellished that. I added pink patina, and then I added some glitter, and then put all of that on top of a flower that I made. And then the back is just simple like so, and it opens up like this. And I've used several tonic dyes, and if you have any questions about them, I could let you know which ones they are. I've also used this little embellishment here that was given to me, and then I added some little, this one came apart, but I'll tie the little bow again. But this is a little button here, and also a little button over here with the little pieces of ribbon. And then I created this little tab here on the side so that you can open the page. And this was also a little picture frame that was given to me, and I decided to put it here. I thought it was appropriate. It's got the nice shimmer with the gold, and I dry embossed this page here. So I did create, you know, about a 3/4 size page to open, and it opens like this with another embossed background on this side. And I used a sticker that I had in my stash to create a little tuck spot there. So it's got plenty of opportunities for pictures, even if they're small. Here I've left this side plain so that you could place a larger picture on that side. And then on this side I added one of the little cameras that I made, and I altered it and added 3 little tags there that I stapled. Then some little tags that I added a little pink bow to with a little embellishment there to match, and then the matching twine. So it's also got another tag here. And on this page here, what I did was that I embellished it with a ribbon and some matching washi tape, and then added the pink color up here, and then added this little edge there, a decorative edge. And then in here is this little piece that I've left untied, but it does tie, and it opens like so. And this is the back. And I just thought this paper collection was so adorable that I just wanted to make it very playful. Here I've also added a flip with this saying here that I cut out with Bow Bunny die. And then I added the little dragonfly, and I went ahead and embellished that to make it shiny. And then I also embellished the flower and leaf that I cut out. I fussy cut that from the paper collection, and it says create beautiful memories. And this ties down here, but it opens like so. And I did dry emboss the top, if you can see there. Let me make it a close-up. There you go. It's got those pretty little hearts on it. Then for the next page here, I've added a rectangular frame, and then I made this little banner here with another die that I have, and then I added a little felt flower that I had created by stitching several flowers together with pink thread. And then this little bird I just had in my stash, and then I also used a Tim Holtz die to make this little leaf here, which I topped off with gems. Then here is a little tuck spot for a picture with a picture frame from one of the Tonic dies, and then this is another one which is the film strip, which I've altered, and I added it with vellum, as I like to do, and added little gems there, the word love. And then I did cut out these squares that you can cut with that die set so that she can have a template to use for when she cuts her pictures to place in the album. And this opens like so she can place a larger picture here, and then here's that rectangle again, and this says celebrate with a little flower and a gem. And then this is just a little pen. It's a fountain pen, so I like to add little details like that. On this page here, what I did was that I created a shaker, and you can see there it's got a piece of ephemera also from the same paper collection. And then I stamped here, always be joyful, adding sequins and stickles, and then I added another little embellishment here, which is a vellum pinwheel that I made. And then I added some bows, and then another pretty bow here on this side on a pocket that I made. And then I just gave her some pieces of ephemera from the paper collection that she can use either to journal in or add small pictures. So she's got several there to choose from. And then those are just stickers in the back. Here is another page with another set of tags that I still have to thread some ribbon through, and those just match the paper collection. They do have a stitched edge that you can see there, and then here in the background I've used a Tonic die that's an inlay die, and then another one to create this belly band that I just topped off with a matching sticker, and those fit in like so. And I love how this looks. It's supposed to be for like a belly band, but I liked the way that that worked out there. And then here she can fit another picture. And then what I did here was that I created, I altered a piece of ephemera that I cut out with my Cameo by painting it. Then I added the gold ribbon there and this embellishment that says take flight. And then I also used my Cameo to make the little swan that I embellished with gold glitter. And let me make sure I'm not forgetting anything. Then I believe, did I forget a page? No, I didn't. Sorry. I couldn't remember. This is the last, yes, this is the last page. And on this one, I created a belly band by using crepe paper, sorry, and I also embellished the crepe paper by adding gold washi, and then I added another little camera, and this is a magnolia doohickey die, sorry, that I embellished there with a little gold heart, and I added the little gold washi there also. And then this is a tag, double-sided tag that she can use, and the background there also has the I used the inlay die to cut that out. And then the very last page has a pretty little tag also made with the Tonic die, and it says with love, and that's backed up like so with some eyelash trim. So I love the colors in this collection, and I really am very, very pleased with how this book turned out. I hope that you like it too. If you have any questions, please let me know. Again, my name is Raquel, and you can find me at paintsandglitter@gmail.com or on Facebook as Encourage Arts. I hope that you can be inspired and be blessed. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.